Hello, folks. Welcome to FX Weekly Analysis for the month of May 12th to 16th. In this analysis, I might touch a little review on what price has done for the last week trading, and also tell you what to anticipate for this new trading week. As we hop into the weekly time frame, don't forget to like our video, subscribe to our channel, and share. Follow us on YouTube, TikTok, and our free community on Telegram. And let's hop into the chart and see what the price holds for us. On DXY, you can see how price has gone so far. We still anticipating price to hit from last week. We anticipated price to drop down and hit our first target. So price has gone a whole lot heading to that direction. But look at how the price market closed on this just trading concluded trading week. See that market closed bullish and closed above the previous week high. So it's still anticipation for a higher prices on DXY. All right. Then on EURUSD, as you can see here, EURUSD, last week we anticipated price to drop, but here was really our first anticipated target, and price almost there, and thereafter we are to expect price to drop more if all things being equal. So price closed bearish, closed below the previous week. So price is still within you can see imbalance here. So there's a PDR rate that price is reacting off from. So we might also be anticipating a down move on EURUSD if DXY is to do the opposite. On GBPUSD price came down, dropped into the FVG, but could not hit our anticipated target, but was able to take the low, right? The low of last 2 weeks and last 3 weeks. All right, so price took the two lows into an FVG and price pushed up again and reacting off about 50% of the last 2 weeks price action on that week. All right, so we can see that price closed differently on GBPUSD and EURUSD. So anything can happen. Price might push up higher and price might drop lower. All right, so let's go to the daily time frame, and the analysis. You should be able to anticipate what we are to look out for on Monday and the overall weekly bias so that you can anticipate the move, thereby applying your own strategy for entries and target. Now here is our daily time frame. You can see how price closed bullish. So we are anticipating price to probably take the high, all right, of Friday and drop to our target. All right, so I'm going to be bearish for this week, new trading week. I'm going to be bearish on GBPUSD. So what are we anticipating on Monday? Don't forget that the trade war is still ongoing. That's not been resolved. So, but let's see if the fundamental might change probably before New York session on Monday. So what am I anticipating? I'm anticipating price to take the high. It might not take the high of the Friday, sorry, and drop. So anytime price takes the high of any of the days, either the Friday or either the Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday, anticipate a lower prices. All right, so what is invalidation level? This top here is still our invalidation level. So as long as price is within this range from this close on Friday to this top here, we are still going to anticipate a bearish move until either of these target here and here is successfully taken. Do you get that now? So the high becomes our invalidation. If price hits here, that means we're going to keep on pushing strongly to the upside. But as long as price remain within this region, we will continue looking for a lower prices. And sometimes the price may not take the high of Friday and just keep dropping. But the moment it takes a high, you look for further entries. But if it does not, look for more entries downwards. All right, that is that on GBPUSD. Then on EURUSD, what are we anticipating? On EURUSD, you can see here price is reacting up here. If price is able to take this opening price of Friday, we might also be that might be an indication that price will keep on pushing lower, especially on Monday. So anything can happen. Price might open on Monday and just keep dropping more to take the low here, right? To take this low, before anticipating a further move downwards. All right. So we're anticipating price to start dropping from any of these price and start going downwards. But if price takes the high first, we look for further entry positions. All right, but if price did not hit this rejection block on Monday and it hit it on Tuesday, be careful. Price might hit it and start pushing upwards. So our top here becomes our invalidation level. All right, our invalidation level, level 2. All right, so as long as price within this region, we keep on looking for a sell into this level and into this final level for this quarter. All right, so that is that on EURUSD. We're going to go bearish, but anything can happen on Monday because of the trade war and the tariff issues. So price can play around here, price can take high, but keep looking for a bearish move when necessary. The same thing that happened on in our weekly analysis. Don't forget, I told us in our weekly analysis that on Monday we will look for what? A buying scenario on EURUSD and GBPUSD. And you can see that that was exactly what happened on Monday. Market bought to this point on Tuesday. It went pushing further to the upside. Same thing also happened on that of GBPUSD. All right, where we saw that on Monday. I told that SMT between EURUSD and GBPUSD capitalized on it, and actually there was an SMT between EU and GU. GU took off the low of previous 2 weeks Friday, but EU did not, and you can see that that Monday was massive because price went buying. On Tuesday was something else again. So before price start pushing to the downside as we anticipated, so such might repeat itself. So we can have like an SMT on GBPUSD and EURUSD before price will show a willingness to push downwards. All right, so look out for anything to capitalize on for EURUSD and GBPUSD. So DXY is true. We are still anticipating price to this gap has not been closed totally. All right, has not been fully closed. So we anticipate price to either drop a little bit into this FVG, take off the low, and price start pushing off target 1 before target 2. All right, so that is that for EURUSD and GBPUSD. Irrespective of the strategy you trade on, make sure you blend your strategy into the bias, because a lot of traders are always confused when it comes to bias. We might not be perfect, but I think we are hitting above 80% in finding out the right bias of the market every week, day in and day out. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel on YouTube, follow us on TikTok, and join our free community channel on Telegram, where updates is given to you to know what to do and how to do it. So it's not about the prediction, it's all about reacting to what price is doing currently. Don't forget, drop your comment, ask question, and we'll respond when necessary. Till we meet weekend for another review and analysis. All right. God bless you.